Hi guys, so in this video, right, we'll be looking at the difference between a trader and an investor. I know you are waiting, you want to know the difference, right? So let's just get right into it. So forex trading is great, but it comes with its own challenges, and these include losses, stress, and it's time consuming. You have to be on the charts 24/7, trying to look at your chart and all that. But here in this video is some tips that will enable you reduce your stress, reduce your loss, and help you manage your time properly. So we'll be looking at 5 difference between a trader's mentality and an investor's mentality in the market. So let's look at the number one. Yeah. So I said here, a trader is always putting in orders in the market at every single opportunity. A trader is someone that is always in the market, 247, and immediately he sees an opportunity, he just enters the market, come out, enter, and it will be stressful, and you end up accumulating a lot of losses. While an investor is patiently waiting for confirmations before entering a trade. What does an investor do? An investor, he just waits. He's patient. He's like a sniper. He's just waiting and he's waiting and he waits for trade confirmations. Probably his different confirmation, maybe support, resistance, trend line, whatever confirmation, before weeks and all that things. When he sees them, then he takes that trade. So that's the first difference. So let's look at the second difference, right? So what's the second difference? A trader in a day will have entered more than 5 trades for just a particular pair. You just notice that he enters, his exit, is buying this particular pair, and at the same time, he's just taking in all trades just like that. While an investor will not take more than 2 trades in a day, and sometimes might not trade at all, right? This does not mean that he won't take he won't take trades. But what I'm trying to say is that an investor goes with fewer trades. Less is more. An investor focuses on risk reward, on greater trade with higher risk reward ratio. Trade that has some confirmations for entry. So you see, that's another difference. A trader will just enter you will just enter without taking in consideration of some of these things I've mentioned, right? So let's look at the third one. A trader does not have time for education. A trader does not have time for education. He's always trying to buy, he's always trying to sell. He doesn't have time to educate himself. He doesn't have time to just stay away and just meditate. But while an investor spends time on education, and investors take out time to read, take out time to study other materials, take out time to analyze the chart, to understand the psychology of trading, right? So let's look at the fourth thing. A trader does not know when to quit trading for the day after a win or a loss. Like sometimes in forex trading, you end up having some wins and at the same time losing everything, or you end up having losses and keep accumulating losses for that day. But an investor knows when to quit trading for the day after a win or a loss. An investor has a target for his profit. And when he has achieved that target for the day, he might just say, okay, for now, for today, we are no more trading, or even when he has had some losses, maybe 1 or 2 losses, he just decide not to trade for that day again and wait for another opportunity, right? So the fifth thing is that a trader hardly have time for family and other things, while an investor does not allow trading to take all the time. The investor find time to relax, chat with family and friends, go for sport, enjoy doing other things, right? So this is the investor's mentality. He has time for other things. Trading does not take all his time. He only comes to the market, look for opportunity, take his trade, and is off and enjoying his life doing other things. While this trader is stuck with his computer screen, heart beating, and panting, and when he's in trade, he's just panicking and all that. The investor is calm. All right. So I say master the act of waiting. In trading, waiting is money. So in trading, you want to master the act of waiting. You want to be waiting for opportunities. waiting for opportunities, and only trade opportunity, guys. Only trade when there's an opportunity in the market. So come to the market with an investor's mentality, waiting for opportunity in the market before you take a trade. So patience is a strategy, right? Patience is a strategy in forex trading. So I say statistics has it that 98% of traders are unsuccessful. Though I don't know how true this is, but I believe that the 2% that are successful are those coming into the market with an investor mentality, right? So this is a strategy. Wait for opportunities in the market, opportunities to present themselves. And when those opportunities present themselves, you take action. You take action. So right here in these videos, these are just some few difference. And I want you to know that this is just for educational purpose, and these are my thoughts based on research and based on experience so far in the market, right? So I'm not just saying this is the whole idea, but these are just some few things I hope can help you. If you know others, or you know more that you can contribute, I want to see your comments in the comment section, and drop your comments in the comment section. So with this, we're closing this video right here. Have a